Hey, if you like the idea of just getting up and going with your cold drinks, snacks, what have you, this is such a good option to consider. This is ICECO's GOPack12. It's new. They sent me this to review. This is how we used to roll, like these with ice packs, ice, bulky. No, gone are the days that we have to actually travel like this. This is really unique because this is actually a portable fridge freezer. So as you can see, it's actually powered on right now using my battery. So you can plug it into your vehicle using the included DC power cord, or you can get a battery like mine that is compatible. Ooh, that is a snug fit. And you have the option of freezer or refrigerator. It goes from 21 degrees Fahrenheit up to 50 degrees. I have the one that just comes with this shoulder strap, this single shoulder strap. So here are the ways that I can carry it. I can pick it up like this. I can pick it up with these side handles here, or I could sling it. I could sling it over my shoulder like this, carry it like this. So we're gonna unzip it here. Take a look inside. I have nothing in there right now. Ooh, but this is cold. So it's stackable. You have like a nice size here. So I'm gonna pull these out. Nice hard shell. And I love this included accessory here. This is the flip up divider, so nothing's getting crunched or smashed. You can keep your drinks separate from your food or whatever. It's just nice to have that extra shelf. And then here is the inside of this guy. Nice and soft over here. And then it's like, feels pretty magnetic. Okay, can you hear it going? That's probably as loud as it's gonna get. 2 zippers here. And now the fun part, filling it up with our favorite drinks. This has a 13.5 quart capacity. It can hold 16 cans, 9 550 milliliter bottles, or 6 wine bottles. This is it all filled up, and it weighs 32 pounds. I don't think I'd be wearing this on my back, to be honest. I like the handles here, and I really like the handle here. Now let's just see how long it stays cold after I disconnect the battery. Okay, I just unplugged, and I'm just gonna see like what that can is at 41. And it's 3:45 now. All right, it has actually been like 2 hours. So I'm curious how this held up. It is a pretty hot day, so we're gonna see. So I just got like 44, 45, and that was like 2 hours later. So I mean, it is insulated, keeps it cold, and it can be frozen too. So maybe even dipping down below the temperature that you want, you know what I mean? And then as it rises, it's gonna stay within like the refrigerator zone. Regardless, this is a cold drink, and I'm gonna enjoy it.